Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started. Our number one pick is Dye Sublimation Printer. If anyone wants a comprehensive all-in-one printer that's doing digital printing process that uses heat and pressure to transfer dye onto different materials, the Dye Sublimation Printer is ideal for any maker, artist, or designer as it allows you to create vibrant designs, patterns, motifs, or decorations using Artspira, Brother's free editing and design app. Sublimation printing prints your graphic onto a sheet of sublimation paper. Then, you use a heat press to transfer the design from the paper onto your product. Dye sublimation printing is a technique that uses heat to transfer images onto sublimation surfaces like shirts, hats, jackets, awards, mugs, mouse pads, home decor, tumblers, and coasters. Create custom projects for birthdays, celebrations, and inviting home decor. With the Dye Sublimation Printer, your imagination and Artspira, creating personalized pieces in full color with vibrant print quality is fun. To start using the Dye Sublimation Printer, first download the free Artspira app. Our second best dye sublimation printer is Wallpaper Sublimation Printer. This printer wallpaper is ready for sublimation. The wallpaper shows it's possible. This wallpaper offers 8.5x14 print, all at an exceptionally low cost per page. Jobs can be accomplished quickly thanks to fast print speeds and a 250 sheet front paper tray. Additionally, its LCD screen makes it easy to print without a PC. With high-yield ink bottles. Each replacement ink bottle set is equivalent to about 100 individual ink cartridges. Get vibrant colors and sharp text with Epson's high-accuracy printhead and Claria ET Premium 6-color inks print a 4x6. Photo in as fast as 15 seconds. Simple front-loading paper trays for standard photographic papers. Even a straight-through paper feeder for thicker poster board and fine art papers. Native 4800 DPI 48-bit flatbed scanner for professional color and black-white scanning and copying. Beautiful 4.3-inch touch panel display for simple printer status, maintenance, and even PC-free printing. Connect with Ethernet, USB, Wi-Fi, or SD card, plus the Epson Smart Panel app lets you print from virtually anywhere using your iOS or Android devices. Third in our list is HP Sprocket Wireless Dye Sublimation Printer. This all-in-one printer is the perfect device for printing all those amazing photos you have on your phone. Set up the printer in seconds, download the easy-to-use HP Sprocket app, and connect your smartphone to the printer via Wi-Fi. Now you are all set without a moment wasted. Take pictures, customize them in the photo editing app, and see your beautiful, captured moments come to life as they are printed. The HP Sprocket Studio Plus printer creates crisp, detailed prints that you will want to share with friends and family. Print quality photos that will last for years on tear-resistant, smudge-proof, waterproof paper. Add your own style to each photo by decorating it with stickers, frames, filters, and more before you print them out. Designed for efficiency and convenience, this printer will produce dry-to-the-touch 4x6 photos in an instant directly from your smartphone. The HP Sprocket Studio Plus gives you several different and unique ways to take a photo. Number 4 in our best dye sublimation printer list is Lean Dye Sublimation Printer. Lean iPhone photo printer is designed for everyone, so it's compatible with iOS, Android laptops, and PC. The Wisconsin Fi connection allows 5 devices to connect to this compact photo printer simultaneously. That's a chance to invite your friends or families to join your printing queue. It is not only a smartphone photo printer, but also a good fit for PC that needs wire connection. Cool down if you worry about the connection of the phone printer, to avoid being affected by the home network that's complicated. Lean has made the portable photo printer itself a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. You can connect directly to the picture printer without other networks. This advanced design beats when comparing with Bluetooth or Port Connect. The 4x6 photo printer supports up to 5 devices to connect simultaneously, and is a picture printer for iPhone and Android. Photo paper can align with the photo printer 4x6 and successfully thread it when printing. Check out which printing step the Wi-Fi photo printer has been when printing via app. Our last pick is Sawgrass SG500 Sublimation Color Printer. Sawgrass SG500 Dye Sublimation Printer with Sawgrass UAG Starter ink set 20 ml per ink color. Create like never before with the new and improved Sawgrass Virtuoso SG500 HD product decorating system. Sawgrass Virtuoso systems are the industry's first and only fully integrated desktop solution designed specifically for sublimation. The perfect printer for hobbyists or moonlighter, the SG500 fits comfortably on a desktop and prints media up to 8.5x14. Or expand the max media size to 8.5x51 with the bypass tray. The SG500 has been updated inside out from its predecessor, the SG400. The SG500 is backwards compatible with all SG4000 accessories. Like all Sawgrass printers, the SG500 performs its own automatic maintenance cycle for trouble-free printing.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!